The spirometer, breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel MusicBayside Oboe. I'm Nuria Cabezas, oboe teacher at the Conservatory of Music of Murcia in Spain, and today I've prepared a video that is part of a series in which we will see breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column necessary to play any wind instrument. In today's video, we are going to see the spirometer. Let's start. While we play and perform the specific breathing exercises, we must try to be so relaxed that the air enters and leaves our body naturally. When we inspire, our rib cage expands and the diaphragm lowers. On the contrary, when we exhale, the diaphragm rises and the rib cage returns to its natural position thanks to the work of the floating ribs and the diaphragmatic muscle. The diaphragm is located under the lungs and with a convex shape. When we breathe, it goes down, helping the floating ribs to expand. The rib cage covers from the clavicle to the floating ribs, and that is where the diaphragm is located. The thumbs and the indexes represent the clavicle, and the rest of the fingers here the floating ribs. When we breathe, with the help of the diaphragm and the floating ribs, the rib cage expands. With these exercises, we will expand our lung capacity and learn to use it at 100% at all times in a controlled way and without tension. If we don't use the full percentage of our capacity, the rest will be completed with unnecessary tension and force, dificulting our breathing control when playing with our instrument. The Smile or Spirometer 500mm breathing gadget is a breathing incentive that allows us to measure the volume of inspired air. In the market, there are also spirometers with capacity for 400 milliliters. In order to use it, we will stand in an upright position, holding the device steady, and we will insert the mouthpiece into our mouth. It's a breathing instrument created for medical purposes so that patients can recover their respiratory capacity after heart or lung operations and also prevent pneumonia. Wind musicians and singers can use this device to improve our breathing capacity and to be able to measure the volume of inspired air. The incentive spirometer has a mouthpiece, a main tube with a piston, and a gold marker that help us visualize our progress. It also has a flow indicator to help us inhale at a constant rate. Next, we will carry out some practical exercises that we perform with the spirometer or Smile 500ml. Exercise number 1. We exhale all the air that we have inside and then inhale through the mouthpiece of the spirometer slowly. The goal with the spirometer breathing device will be to inhale slowly and in a controlled manner, and with use we will see how we are going to change our volume of inhaled air. The spirometer has drawings of smiling and sad faces on one side of the device. The flow indicators. We must keep the ball located on the smiling face for the entire duration of our inhalation. This indicates that the airflow is constant and is being carried out in a controlled manner. We'll do 15 series of this exercise. In order to increase our lung capacity and strengthen the air column, we can plan our study with the help of a metronome. We will carry out exhalations to empty ourselves and complete inhalations with the spirometer, even being able to reach hyperventilation. Therefore, it's necessary to have a close support point in case at any time we feel dizzy. I recommend you to perform these exercises and those of the rest of the series of videos of breathing instruments during the routines of breathing exercises before to the study with your instrument, and we can check the changes that will be reflected in your domain of the air column, the lung capacity and the sound with your instrument. This was all for today. I hope you like it. I'll meet you in all my social networks, on the YouTube channel and on the website of MusicBayside.com, where you will find lessons, videos, blog and many more things for you to achieve your goal. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video. Welcome to the Music Bayside community. On the website of Music Bayside, MusicBayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel Music Bayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in Music Bayside, and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.